Hey folks, supper time. Figured tonight I'll show you guys a short video anyway of how I cook up my equivalent of Edo Japan. It's a fast food place, if you want to call it that, that does Japanese teppanyaki style of Asian food. So I'm gonna do it up. I already had some sauce from when I did it a few days ago for some other friends. So gonna do it up tonight out here in my cabin kitchen. And let's see how it turns out. Okay, here's what we need tonight. I've chopped up some mushrooms. I have some shredded cabbage. I've got some broccoli, and unfortunately all I had was some frozen carrot slices up here at the cabin. But normally I'd have some little bit of carrot and some shredded beef. Some places you can buy shredded beef. I slice my own, but it really doesn't matter. You can do, I use chicken thighs as well when I want chicken with it. Don't have any today, but as far as the shredded cabbage is concerned, a lot of the times I'll just use a pre-mixed coleslaw. And that works really, really well as well. You don't have to get fancy and go out and buy, Asian cabbage, things of that nature. It absolutely tastes primo, perfect. I've got some water and I've got some, I'm using olive oil. You don't get extra virgin. I got the light olive oil. It has a higher smoke point than the extra virgin for cooking on the griddle. So I think what I'll do is I'm going to try to put a GoPro up there and hope it doesn't fall off onto the griddle, and we'll see how that works out. All right, first thing we do is put down some cabbage. Put down as well. Give it a little steaming. Now the sauce I had already made. Give it a little stir. Warm one there. Move it over a little here. This burner I have completely off, so that's my cooler zone. I've got these three other burners on. You know, if you want to be fancy and make it sound good to the other room, you know, you just tap things. I'm going to push that off to the side here. So that'll keep her warm. I like to use a dough scraper to scrape my griddle. Well, I like to use this bevel one because it's much easier for me to get some pressure on and really separate that meat. Even cut it if I need to. Really get that separated. And when I'm shaving my meat, it really doesn't matter the cut as long as you do it across the grain when you're shaving it. Works good. I do cheesesteak, you name it. It's shredded beef works really, really good for all sorts of things to cook up. Especially if it's a really tough cow. Shaving it across grain really allows it to soften up. Lots of mushrooms, probably 3 or 4 times more than they actually give you in the restaurant. We like our mushrooms, and this is going to actually serve 3 people tonight. So this is probably about a sumo size helping of meat, as they call it in the restaurant. Just let that cook the mushrooms down. I think I'll give it a little bit of that, speed up the mushrooms a bit. Now if anybody wants to actually see how I actually make the the teriyaki sauce that goes onto this. Put a comment down and with a like and ask me. The more people that do, the more likely I am to show you how to actually make this teriyaki sauce. And it's actually pretty simple. Anybody can do it. And to me anyway, the people I know, it tastes almost identical to the stuff that you get at the restaurant. I am 2.5 to 3 hours away from the closest restaurant, so when I'm up here, and I plan to retire up here, so got to make sure you can cook for yourself in this world, and love the taste of this food. It's awesome. Now we're going to take some sauce. Put it in the meat. Give that a good one. Cover and glaze that meat. Makes a mess of your griddle, but boy does it taste good. Right, Wayne?
That's right.
There's 3 of us, so kind of get 3 portions ready. Shut that off. I've got some plates. Everybody a scoop of the veg. Time for some meat.
Hold it right there for you.
Sure. Don't want any to escape. That one should be Colleen's because she loves the mushrooms.
Okay.
Okay. Now, I'm just going to give this a quick. Just because it's pretty dirty at that point. Now,
Colleen? This is still Colleen's, yes.
all right. There we go. This is delivered. There you go, sir.
Thank you.
I like lots of sauce.
So there we go. Bon appetit.
All right, folks. Well, there it is. If people want to know how to make the sauce, let me know down in the comments. I got so hungry, I ate half the plate before I took a clip to show you the end result. So, delicious. One of my favorites. Absolutely. So again, feel free to like and subscribe. Let me know if you want more cooking on the channel, and I'll do what I can. Have a good one, everyone.